Last rites of Kannada actor Chiranjeevi Sarja will be performed today. The final rites of the 39-year-old actor will be performed at his family farmhouse in Kanakpura. Meanwhile, arrangements have been made for public to pay their last respects at the actor's residence in Baswangudi. Public can pay their last respects till around 10:30 a.m. Several Sandalwood artists paid their last respects to the departed actor. Actors Ravi Chandran and Yash arrived at the actor's residence during the early hours of Monday. The duo was later joined by popular comedian Sadhu Kokila. The actors paid their final respects. Family members of the late actor were seen sitting beside Chiranjeevi Sarja's mortal remains throughout the night. Chiranjeevi Sarja's wife, actress Meghana Raj, remained inconsolable. The actress, who is pregnant, was seen sitting beside her husband's body. Chiranjeevi Sarja's uncle and popular multilingual star Arjun Sarja too was sitting beside the body. The actor's brother Dhruva Sarja was also seen beside his elder brother's mortal remains. Meanwhile, other family members too were seen in grief. Padranpura went completely silent after the ruckus witnessed on Sunday evening. Police have turned the containment zone into a khaki fortress. The area witnessed a huge ruckus after discharged Padranpura Corporator Imran Pasha was taken out on a public rally by his supporters. Pasha, who had been admitted to Victoria Hospital, was discharged after recovering from COVID-19. However, the police cut the celebration short and later subjected the corporator to quarantine at an undisclosed location. Devotees are seen thronging the city's iconic Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple as it reopened on Monday. People were seen standing in queues and maintaining social distancing. Abhishekam and special pujas were performed by the priests as part of the reopening. However, devotees were only permitted to have a darshan. The city's popular and iconic temple ISKCON will not be reopening its doors for devotees from Monday. The decision was taken by the temple management in anticipation of the large crowds that may gather at the shrine. However, the temple administration has said that a decision on reopening the temple will be taken after June 15. The reopening of KR Market has turned into a bone of contention between farmers and BBMP officials. The farmers staged a protest at the market on Saturday, demanding that the market be reopened for trade. However, BBMP officials are reluctant to do so over fears of the spread of COVID-19. The BBMP officials are under the apprehension that it would be difficult to control the virus if it spreads, as farmers from neighbouring districts too will visit the market and it would be difficult to track them. BBMP Commissioner B.H. Anil Kumar said that a decision will be taken about reopening KR Market. And speaking to reporters, Anil Kumar said that a meeting will be held in this regard, following which a decision will be taken soon. Vanarghatta Biological Park has reopened its doors to tourists and visitors from Monday. Park authorities have taken all necessary measures to ensure that health safety norms are adhered to. Social distancing boxes, thermal screening and hand sanitizers are some of the measures put in place by the authorities. The Department of Pre-University Education has commenced preparations for conducting the pending English exams for second year students. The exam is scheduled to be held on June 18th, and according to official figures, around 6 lakh students are slated to write the exam in around 1,000 centers across the state. Preparations are being made to screen the students and provide them with hand sanitizers. KPCC President D.K. Shivkumar will formally assume the post of KPCC President on June 14. The official ceremony is slated to be held at the Congress Bhavan. D.K. Shivkumar had been appointed to the post in the early of March. However, the official ceremony could not be held due to the lockdown. Bengaluru police have arrested the main accused in connection with the suicide of Kannada actress Chandana. The accused has been identified as 29-year-old Dinesh. The accused had reportedly entered into a physical relationship with Chandana after promising to marry her, and this had resulted in Chandana getting pregnant. She was later allegedly forced to undergo abortion by Dinesh, and it has also been reported that Dinesh had allegedly cheated the late actress of nearly 5 lakh rupees Chandana committed suicide on May 28th by consuming poison and had even recorded a video blaming Dinesh for her situation. A notorious rowdy cheater was brutally hacked to death in the city. The incident was reported from JP Nagar. The deceased rowdy cheater has been identified as Pagal Sina alias Arvind Sina. He was allegedly associated with many crimes including murder, assault and dacoit. Several cases have been registered against him. The reason behind the murder is yet to be ascertained.